Introduction. Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on how to crack competitive exams. In this video, I will be sharing some tips and tricks that have helped me and many others succeed in these exams. The importance of planning. The first step to cracking any competitive exam is to have a plan. This means knowing what exam you want to take, what the syllabus is, and how much time you have to prepare. Once you have a plan, you can start to break it down into smaller, more manageable tasks. Set realistic goals. It is important to set realistic goals for yourself when preparing for a competitive exam. Don't try to cram everything in at the last minute. Instead, focus on small, achievable goals that you can build on over time. Find a study routine that works for you. Everyone learns differently, so it is important to find a study routine that works for you. Some people prefer to study in short bursts, while others prefer to study for longer periods of time. Experiment with different methods until you find one that helps you learn and retain information effectively. Take regular breaks. It is important to take regular breaks when studying for a competitive exam. This will help you stay focused and avoid burnout. Get up and move around, or take a few minutes to do something you enjoy. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for good mental performance. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night in the weeks leading up to the exam. Manage your stress. Cracking a competitive exam can be stressful, but it is important to manage your stress levels. Exercise, relaxation techniques, and positive thinking can all help you cope with stress. Practice, practice, practice. The best way to prepare for a competitive exam is to practice. Solve as many past year's question papers as you can. This will help you get familiar with the format of the exam and the types of questions that are asked. Stay positive. It is important to stay positive and motivated throughout the preparation process. Believe in yourself and your ability to succeed. Conclusion. Cracking a competitive exam is not easy, but it is definitely possible. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of success. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.